If you're curious about using natural oils for your health and beauty products, you have probably heard about hemp oil and CBD oils. It can be hard to understand the difference between the two since they're often used interchangeably. Yes, they both come from the cannabis sativa plant, and yes, they both can be used topically or taken by mouth. But there are critical differences between these two oils and how they may impact your overall health. Hemp seed oil and CBD oil are very different products even though they come from the same plant. To know the difference between CBD and hemp oil, you first need to know exactly what hemp oil is. While hemp oil may be used as a shorthand for hemp seed oil, they are actually not the same thing. Meanwhile, hemp seed oil comes from the seeds of the cannabis sativa plant. The seeds do not contain CBD, but they still have a rich profile of the nutrients, fatty acids, and valuable bioactive compounds with the health benefits. Having a better understanding of the hemp seed oil and CBD oil may allow you to choose the safest and most appropriate product. As a mom, creating natural skincare and pain relief products for children and adults is very important. Hemp produces a broad range of cannabinoids, including THC, the intoxicating chemical found in marijuana. However, hemp does not have enough THC to create intoxicating effects. In the US, hemp does not contain more than 0.3% THC. We're going to talk about does hemp show positive on drug tests. And then this question raised a lot of concerns for many clients that are either corporate or want to use these products on their children. This is the number one reason why we use hemp seed oil in our products instead of CBD oils. According to the research studies available from 2016 to 2020, the answer to this question is no. Regular consumption of use of commercially made hemp foods such as seeds, cooking oil, cereals, milks, granola, or hemp products such as lotions, shampoos, lip balms, or any other products will not show a positive result for THC on a drug test. However, CBD or THC can be detected in a urine test for up to 15 days, depending on how often and how much you use. If you have been using CBD for a while, it can stay in your body for up to 30 days or more. Now, let's get into my favorite part as how hemp oil benefits skincare. There are several skincare benefits that you can get from using hemp seed oil, either topically or by consuming it. Hemp oil is perfect for most skin types as it can moisturize without clogging your pores. It can even help to balance out oily skin by hydrating it and regulating the skin oil's production. Dryness can also cause your skin to overproduce oil, which in turn can stimulate acne. Hemp oil can prevent dry skin without clogging pores. This helps reduce acne that's caused by excess oil. It also moisturizes and soothes inflammation. Hemp oil contains an omega-6 fatty acid that acts as a powerful inflammatory, while simultaneously encouraging skin growth and new cell generation. This can help to calm inflammation and irritation on the skin, including acne and some conditions like psoriasis, while keeping the skin nourished and moisturized. It also treats atopic dermatitis. Part of what makes hemp seed oil so beneficial to the skin is that it is rich in omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming these nutrients can help to treat skin conditions like atopic dermatitis. In addition to moisturizing and soothing the skin, hemp oil has anti-aging properties. Hemp oil can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, as well as prevent signs of aging from developing. If you want to know more about loving the skin that you're in, click on the link to schedule a skincare wellness consultation, and don't forget to receive your free 21-day Queen Care skincare regimen